What is gold doing today? I am going to analyze it. Welcome to my channel. I am going to analyze gold. Let's start analysis. It is 1 day time frame. Now I am taking what are gold doing at that moment. So is at this time gold is holding here because why? Because in daily chart there is a gap balance. Look, here is gap imbalance. That's why market down from there and holds and trying to go up from here and make a wick, but come to the 1 hour chart time frame and mark structure like boss and chalk. Here you can see, like here's boss, here's boss, and I'm marking boss here, writing boss, and there is an inducement here. Take look, here is inducement IDM, and from this order block market again pull back and go up and do boss here again. Look, boss, and again trying to doing IDM, but before doing IDM it is done IDM sweep. Look, IDM sweep, and again trying to do boss and did boss here, again trying to do, look, did boss here, boss, and after that market did chalk. Look where, here, look, here is IDM here, and did chalk here. Look, did chalk, and after doing chalk market is going down. Look, and take a little bit pull back from here because there is a gap imbalance in 1 day time frame, and there is making a trade like because why? Because there is a order block at that time frame. After chalk it did boss, downtrend boss. Here's boss, it is called downtrend boss, and after, and on that order block, look, this is the order block and this is FVG, and after tapping that order block market, what is market doing? Market is trying to go down back again. Look, and look here, what is market trying to do? Market is trying to go back again, and we will come on 5 minute chart, and here is what, here is MSS. If the MSS is done, like here's MSS is done, then from this FVG we will trying to sell here, means I would like to sell from that part. This is my entry, this is my stop loss, and my target is that order block, and this is my 3:1 risk reward target. This is my strategy for that trade. And for long term trade, my analysis is market will go down for that part, market will touch there, here, because here is so many liquidity, so market is coming down here after some days maybe. So that is the analysis for gold today, and this is my opinion that the market will come here after doing MSS. We will take trade when the MSS is done and market pull back here and tap the FVG, and I will take trade here, and my stop loss is only 10 point and my profit is 3:1 and 30 points in gold. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, like it and comment it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.